Welcome to the installation guidelines for the Accelerated Vision software products for Windows. Right now, we're in the setup for Zoom Number One Professional. The language has been preset to English, and we'll confirm that by clicking OK. That takes us to the Setup Assistant, and we're now going to install the product Zoom Number One Professional version 1.14 on the computer. We'll confirm this by clicking Next, and then enter the path for the installation specified here. You can change it or leave it as it is. Let's leave it as it is for the time being. Confirm by clicking Next. That takes us to the component selection window. The component selection shows you the elements you can install in addition to the program. They're plugins, such as the Photoshop CC 2020 plugin here, Lightroom Classic plugin, and graphics card support. You can deactivate them if you don't want them, or you can install them along with the software. As you can see, they don't require much memory. We'll confirm this by clicking Next. And now we can specify the appropriate path in the Start menu or leave the pre-selected path in place. And confirm that by clicking Next again. Now the assistant asks if we would like to have a desktop icon, and in this case we do. So click Next here as well. That takes us to the overview for the installation that's going to take place. The target folder, type of installation, selected components and plugins, graphic card support, Start menu folder, and additional tasks, in this case creating a desktop icon. If we now click Install, the program will be completely installed, and that is happening now. The components are installed as well, and the installation is complete. Here at the top left, we can already see the icon has appeared, and now we can get started. You can start the program from here or complete the installation without starting the program, which is what I'll do now.